If you're asking how long until my wife forgives me, I already know something about you. You're hurting. You're scared. And you're trying to hold on to something that feels like it's slipping through your fingers. But let me tell you something you need to hear right now. Forgiveness isn't a countdown. It's a process. And you can't rush a process you helped create. Let's talk about what that really means. This is what I do. Let me explain. My name's Jordan Joaquim, and I'm a licensed mental health therapist and marriage counselor that's been working in this field for over 10 years. During this time, I've seen many men and women struggle with the same thought you are struggling with right now. I'll help you make peace with how long this will take and become who you need to be throughout this whole process. We'll jump right into that now, but if you're wanting the roadmap to change, check out my ebook, How to Love Her Like Christ Loved the Church. It's the first link in the description. Okay, let's talk time and forgiveness. Forgiveness isn't about time. It's about safety. Most men think forgiveness is a clock. If I wait long enough, if I apologize enough, if I do the right things, she'll forgive me. But forgiveness doesn't happen because time passes. Forgiveness happens because safety returns. Your wife isn't waiting for the calendar to flip. She's waiting to see if she can trust you again. And trust isn't built by pressure. It's built by consistency. So I guess you could say it takes time, but that time is only up to you. You can't control her timeline if you can't control yours. You can't force her to heal faster. You can't demand forgiveness. You can't negotiate her emotions. None of that works. But you can control the man you're becoming in this season. First and foremost, stop apologizing. She's not wondering if you're sorry. She's wondering, are you patient? Are you humble? Are you consistent? Are you safe? Are you listening? Are you taking responsibility without defensiveness? Forgiveness grows in the soil of a man who's becoming trustworthy again. The more you rush her, the longer it takes. This is the part most men don't want to hear. When you pressure her to forgive you, she doesn't feel loved. She feels cornered. When you say, "Are you over it yet?" How long is this gonna take? I said I'm sorry. What else do you want me to do? You're not asking for forgiveness. You're asking for relief from your own guilt. She doesn't need to heal from your guilt. You do. And she can feel that too. All you're doing is screaming, "I'm guilty, I'm guilty." And who wants to be around that? It's ironic, but rushing slows her down. Patience speeds her up. Forgiveness is not the same as reconciliation. Forgiveness is her releasing the weight of what happened. Reconciliation is rebuilding the relationship. Those are two different journeys. She might forgive you long before she feels close to you again, or she might feel close again before she fully forgives you. Don't confuse the two. Don't demand both at the same time. Let each one breathe. Your job is not to make her forgive you. It's to become a man she can forgive. This is where the real work happens. Forgiveness isn't earned by begging. It's earned by becoming. Become consistent. Become honest. Become emotionally present. Become patient. Become safe. Become accountable. Become the man you should have been before the mistake. Forgiveness grows when she sees transformation, not desperation. Healing takes time, but time is not the healer. This is one of the biggest misconceptions I come across in therapy. I'll hear couples say, "Hasn't it been long enough?" Or "You're not over that yet?" Time doesn't heal wounds. Truth, safety, and consistency do. Time only gives those things space to work. So don't ask, "How long until she forgives me?" Ask, "How consistently can I show up while she heals?" That's the real question. And you providing that answer will make this go much easier and faster than you ever could imagine. Listen to me. Your marriage isn't over. Your story isn't done. Your failure isn't final. But this season is not about speed. It's about becoming. If you stay patient, if you stay humble, if you stay consistent, if you display emotional safety, forgiveness will come. Not because you forced it, but because you created a place where it could grow. You can't control her timeline, but you can control your transformation. And that's where healing begins. If you enjoyed this message or my way of delivering it, do me a favor and give this video a like. If you're wanting to make the most change in your life and seeing how you made it to the end of this video, I know you do, don't miss out on what has the power to change you from the inside out. Make sure to check out my ebook, How to Love Her Like Christ Loved the Church. It's the first link in the description. If you feel like this video could help someone else, don't be greedy. Sharing is caring. Share this video with them and let them learn something new too. I look forward to catching up with you in the next video coming up now. But until then, God bless you and your family.